sir.
Finally, I can have a nice, quiet, relaxing day with no Luigi screaming over me. Link! Link? What? Link, help me! I'm handcuffed! Dude, that's a toy handcuff. Man, Link, you're always ruining the fun. Look, let's get handcuffed together. Luigi, I'm not gonna handcuff myself to you. Aw, please? No. 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 Okay, look. I'll leave you alone for the rest of the week if you handcuff me for 30 minutes. Fine. Just give me the other half. Yay! Let's just get this over with. Oh no, I'm stuck. Help me get out of here. I'm stuck to a little handcuff toy. Yeah, you are. Yeah, we're both stuck with super glue. Did you just say super glue? Yeah, super glue, both of them. What? No! No! Get me out of here! No! 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 Get me out of here! Get me out of here! No! No! I'm stuck here for the rest of my life because of your dumb brain! Relax, Link. It'll go away. No, it won't. Super glue lasts for a very long time, you idiot. Now I have so much things to do with my life. Now I can't complete that because I'm literally stuck with you for a really long time. No. I never even had a girlfriend. I didn't even went to college. Not even high school. You were gonna fix this. Well, Link, I really don't know how to fix this. Oh, you better figure it out. I have so much things I planned out for my life. I wanted to go finish high school, and then I wanted to go to college, and then I want to get a great job at new mascot Nintendo. I have so much things in my life, and you ruined it with your dumb brain, and you're still with handkerchiefs. Get me out of here! Relax. I'm pretty sure we could, go on laptop and find something out about us. Oh, you know what? That's a great idea. No, go get the laptop! I can't. Why? We're stuck together, remember? Man, how much do you weigh? I don't know. Okay. How to remove super glue from your skin. Okay. Super glue bonds quickly and easily to metal, but it can easily be removed from metal surfaces using as well as such as a stone, a scrapping tool, and a hammer. A hammer, huh? Mario! Yeah, what is it, Link? Can you please get us a hammer from the garage for me and Luigi, please? Sure, but, why, though? Well, because your dumb brother thought it'd be funny to put in these handcuffs super glue in the middle! It was funny, though. Please just get us a hammer before I kick his butt! Alright, chill, dude. You act like you're going feral. Okay, I'm ready. I got the hammer. Is that a real hammer? Yeah. Looks wooden. Just go with it. Okay, get ready, Luigi. We're finally getting out of here. And I don't want to play with you ever again because you're so stupid. That's not nice. Okay, get ready, Luigi and Link. Because Mario's about to do something very illegal. 1, 2, 3. Did it work? I don't think so. Oh, okay. Here we go again. Wait, Mario. Thanks a lot, Mario. Sorry about that, Link. I hit the wrong spot. Don't worry, I'll go get some help. Well, Link, you feel okay, buddy? Don't talk to me. Okay, look, I'm sorry for the idea. I just thought it'd be funny. A little April Fool's Day prank. That was 11 days ago. Oh, I was a little too late. But, you want to do something? Like what? We're literally stuck like this. Oh, I got it. We can play Smash Bros. How do we play Smash Bros while we're literally stuck in stupid handcuffs? Oh, simple. We use our feet. I'm not gonna use my feet to play Smash. Oh, yes, you are. Let's go. Okay, let's play Smash Bros. Brawl. Why are we playing the Wii one? We literally have to switch. Because I want to. Alright, okay, here we go. Okay, this is actually going out well. Oh, God, please help me. Well, I got bored of Smash Bros, so let's play some Friday Night Funkin'. Okay, here we go. Incineroar. Crap. Incineroar. Incineroar!
What?
Whoa, someone's in a bad mood. What's your deal?
I need my beauty sleep, Mario. I haven't had good sleep leggings in days, and what time is it?
7 at night.
Jesus! Man, I was so asleep for a long time.
Yeah, so I apologize for, like, I don't know, interrupting your sleep, but it's just, I need your help on something.
What is it?
So, Luigi and Link kind of got handcuffed to each other, and Luigi kind of put super glue in it because, you know, he's pretty dumb, and, we tried to break it out, but nothing seems to be working, so we were wondering if you knew what to do, like burn off it or something?
I can't just simply burn it off like that. My firepower, it's extremely dangerous. It's powerful enough to create even a wildfire in our neighborhood. We're gonna have to try something else besides lighting it up. I'm just gonna slash it for now, and it should probably take it from there. Come on, let's go.
Okay, thank you so much. No! Okay, guys, I'm back, and I brought Incineroar with me.
Let's get this over with.
Thank God, now I can finally get out of this. Oh, man, already?
Yes, already. But I'm gonna need you guys to stand really still. This slash is even strong enough to kill more than one person.
What? Your slash can kill more than one person? Oh no, that sounds so scary. But at the same time, it sounds awesome.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
Yes, I'm free. Yes, thank you, Incineroar. I owe you.
Whatever. Now I'm gonna go back to sleep.
Well, farewell to my good old handcuffs. Okay, Luigi, I hope you learned your lesson that to never superglue something like that ever again, because we had to go through all that trouble. Or, as a matter of fact, I had to go through all that trouble just to convince Incineroar to let you guys free. Our Pizza Hut should be on the way. Okay, Mario, I learned my lesson. Sorry about that, Link. I wanted to pull on a little joke for you, but I didn't think it would be that serious. My bad. Look, dude, it's alright. I'm not mad at you or anything. I mean, now I'm not. But still, please just don't do that again. It almost gave me a heart attack. Especially with super glue. That's dangerous. I don't know how people actually like you when you're actually this. When you act like this all the time. I mean, you know me. I'm just a little clumsy. Whoa. Okay, that was just my clumsiness.